I'm Will Knopfsinger with Dennis and Yachting. We're here in Miami Beach aboard one of my latest listings, and we're going to do a very special walkthrough for you. Miami's home to opulent yachts and home to some of the most prolific fishing grounds on earth. I'm standing aboard Carbon Credit, a 2006 64 Hatteras convertible. We're going to show you some of her key highlights and exactly why she's one of the best rigs on the water to get you out to those fishing grounds. In a place as busy as this, it's easy to forget that some of the most peaceful moments on earth are found at sunrise when the sky turns from jet black to a myriad of colors and there's nothing but the horizon and water in front of you, and a place like Miami Beach is in your rear view. The Hatteras 64 was designed with a no-limits approach and able to endure the toughest of days offshore. It is, after all, a Hatteras. Carbon Credit is a stunning example of what a well-maintained Sportfish should be, and you're certain to like this one, because this one, it's had all the money spent in all the right places. Since 2017, her current owner has invested a small fortune, making her one of the nicest boats on the market. Some of those upgrades were a full paint job that took place in 2017, a complete electronics package with the latest and greatest from Garmin, air conditioning on the bridge, a custom transom aquarium style Livewell, and a complete LED lighting package throughout for superior power management. So let's get to it and begin today's walkthrough here on the business end of the yacht, her cockpit. Carbon Credit's design is centric to easy maintenance and ownership, so that means no teak, easy to clean paint, and simple non-skid everywhere. What she does have are amenities and excellent fishing equipment. Most prominently on display are her blue water fighting chair, aquarium style Livewell, comfortable must-have mezzanine seating, and an upgraded JL audio sound system. And to top it off, tons of refrigeration, making this 64 truly travel ready. Next, let's take a look at the engine room. Down here, in the heart of Carbon Credit, we find a set of reliable Caterpillar C32 engines. When Carbon Credit's underway, she has a top speed of 33 knots and comfortably cruises around 26. From here, let's jump right up to the Flybridge and tower. This bridge is home to some serious upgrades. Here, beyond the two blue water Helm chairs, your eyes hone in on the dash, home to pop-up electronic displays that were recently outfitted with the latest and greatest from Garmin, including two 24-inch touchscreen displays. For added comfort, the easy 2CY enclosure and the hardtop are aided by a dedicated air conditioning system, so you can lounge in all this gorgeous seating in front of you without ever breaking a sweat. An important design feature to point out here, the captain has excellent sight lines of the rod tips and cockpit corners. From here, let's head up to the tower and literally get a bird's eye view of things. This pipe welder's tower gives us excellent visibility and a truly unique perspective of the vessel. Stretching skyward to port and starboard are her triple spreader outriggers, and at the top, a second helm station, also equipped with new gear from Garmin. Looking forward, we can imagine driving from here on a nice calm day just like today, exhilarating the soul. Let's head down and inside, checking out the interior arrangements. Walking in, we're greeted by sunset-worthy windows to either side and a warm African walnut matte finished millwork package. To port, a very comfortable sofa arrangement with storage below. And never miss the game or movie night with an adjacent 42-inch Samsung LED TV. To starboard here is a breakfast nook, perfect for a morning coffee. To port is a chef-inspired galley with all the equipment, from sub-zero drawers to a trash compactor and a 4-burner cooktop. Let's head forward and down the flight of stairs to the 3-stateroom 3-head layout down below. First, let's take a look at the master. The master is nothing short of huge compared to the competition, being one of the only true full beam layouts out there on the market, featuring a full-size king bed in this class. Forward into port is the room's private and lavishly equipped ensuite. Exiting the master stateroom and heading forward across the hall, we arrive at the first of the 2 guest staterooms, equipped with single side-by-side berths and separated by a nightstand. Turning forward, we find the full-size ensuite and walk-in shower. Exiting and continuing forward, we come to the VIP cabin. This room features a Queen Island berth centerline and the same beautiful woodwork we saw throughout the rest of the yacht's interior, with ensuite that doubles as the ship's dayhead. From here, let's head out to the bow for the conclusion of today's walkthrough. The bow of the Sportfish has two primary features, the Davit built by Marquardt for your tender and the yacht's anchoring system. Her ground tackle consists of a windlass, anchor chute, plenty of road, and of course, the anchor for all those memorable evenings on the hook. When you're fishing offshore, comfort matters, and the Hatteras 64 delivers. From a versatility standpoint, not much rides better. This well-built Sportfish will get you out to the cruising grounds in style and with confidence, no matter how rough the water gets. Thanks for joining us aboard Carbon Credit. If you need more information about the 64 Hatteras, you can contact me anytime, and you can always find me online at Yacht Slinger.